GMC infotainment systems are essentially computers built into your vehicle. Like any computer, they can sometimes freeze or become unresponsive, requiring a reset to restore normal function. There are two primary types of resets available for GMC infotainment systems: soft resets and hard resets. Each serves different purposes and has different effects on your system. The soft reset is your first line of defense against minor glitches. To perform a soft reset, simply press and hold the power or volume knob for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts automatically. For more persistent problems that a soft reset cannot resolve, you may need to perform a hard reset or factory reset. This is accessed through the Settings menu by navigating to System, then Reset to Factory Defaults. Newer GMC models from 2023 and beyond also support over-the-air updates, which allow for remote troubleshooting and system fixes without requiring a visit to the dealership. This technology can often resolve issues automatically. Several factors can trigger infotainment system freezes in GMC vehicles. Understanding these triggers helps prevent frustrating system failures. Prevention is key to maintaining a reliable infotainment system. Here are the most effective strategies to avoid system freezes and malfunctions. When issues do occur, specific troubleshooting steps can resolve most problems. Let's examine the most common scenarios and their solutions. For audio system malfunctions, a hidden diagnostic menu can often resolve the issue. Hold the home and fast forward buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds to access this menu. According to automotive electronics experts, regular maintenance and updates are crucial for system reliability. GMC's proactive diagnostic monitoring has achieved impressive results. If problems persist after trying these troubleshooting steps, professional diagnosis may be necessary. Modern GMC infotainment systems are complex computers that sometimes require specialized tools and expertise.